Hey mamas, in this video I'm going to be teaching you my coconut rice recipe, legendary. This particular coconut rice is very good for your infant and toddler. Yes, very, very good. I didn't know this recipe was a hit. Actually have a picky eater and I was very skeptical to try it as first, but guess who couldn't resist this yumminess? Would you be trying this? I mean, this meal is loaded. Let me know in the comment section if you'll be trying it. You need to watch this video to the very end to see how my daughter was enjoying the life of her head. If your baby is a very picky eater as well as mine, I want to share with you in one of my coming videos on how to start your baby on solid, the tricks and everything that worked for me. You don't want to miss that video. And so if you've not subscribed to this YouTube channel, hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to turn on your notification bell as well. And yep. Hi guys, I'm Vanessa and welcome to Hi Mom, where we film everything motherhood, ranging from baby kid hairstyle ideas, food ideas, family vlog, and a host of many others. I'm sure you've been following through what you're seeing on your screen. Yeah, it's coconut rice, and of course, you should have your coconut. If you've been able to introduce your baby to coconut milk, then trust me, your baby must love this. But if your baby has not started taking coconut milk yet, I think it's advisable to start with a little portion of the milk to see how your baby reacts to it, if he or she would like it. So yeah, first thing first, I get my coconut, of course the quantity that you would love. Break, peel and dice. That's exactly what I'm doing. You're dicing it because we are going to be blending, and just for it to blend seamlessly in your blender, it's advisable that you should cut in just little fragments. Yes, so after doing this, I just rinsed off and soaked in the water. Just allowed it to just stay while I continue the other process of making this coconut rice. You guys, as much as possible, I'd advise that you buy into organic fruits, veggies, cereals for your baby, because these products do not have harmful chemicals like pesticides or insecticides. Okay, so I went ahead to use the water that my baby drinks to soak the coconut that I'm going to blend. You can use whichever water that she drinks, because you're not going to put it on the fire again. So I set that aside and I pick my rice. Definitely a very little quantity, because we are just trying it out. Like, this is going to be our very first time, very, very, very first time. So it's advisable and wise for me to make in a very small quantity. So I took my bag of veggies from the freezer. It contains carrots, green beans and green pea. You can decide to explore others, but again, because it's our first time, I'm trying to be graceful with the things I add into it. I'm thinking I should create a video on how I preserve my veggies. Of course, it's not just for you to just slice and dump in the freezer. There's a process to it. If you would like to see a video on that, drop in the comment section, and of course like this video, so that it gives me that pointer that yes, you are interested in a video like that. Okay guys, I already put my veggies in the rice. Of course, I parboiled the rice and I allowed it to cook. While waiting for it to cook, I simply carried my coconuts that I already dropped in the water to blend. So you guys, I'm blending it. Basically, this is just the process of extracting coconut milk. Yes, that's all. That's just it. It's coconut milk. So I don't know, you can give your baby to drink coconut milk as well, but for the purpose of this video, we're cooking with it. Yeah. So you get your sieve and then just sieve it out. So I went over it twice. I mean, after sieving this out, I dropped the should I call it chaff now, back into the blender. Added clean water, the drinking water you introduce to your baby. I added it again into the blender and had to go the second time to make sure I do not miss out on any of the juiciness. Okay, I was saying earlier that it's advisable to prepare your meals for your baby. If your baby has not started eating adult food, is there something like adult food? If your baby has not started eating with you on the dining, what is being cooked at home, you can still go extra mile to try and convert all of these meals to puri. Like my daughter, I feel like she's just coming up, so we're trying to be gradual with her, very gradual. So yeah, I feel like whatever we're eating, she should eat as well, but I'll just blend it and see how much she loves it. One of the tricks is that in most of her meals I include milk, and because she's very, all babies are conversant with milk taste, so it's more like a lure and they have to go for it. Okay guys, I simply took my rice that was already softened enough and dropped into the blender. If you're hearing any noise, my daughter is doing her thing. She's doing her thing. You know how toddlers do, yeah? Okay, so that's it. You guys, did you see how seamless this recipe was? I just blended it to smooth, and that's all. It was really thick here, really thick. I had to even dilute it with more coconut milk, yes, to get this. Just looking at the face of this meal, I'm like, where? Why have I not even done this for this girl? She's 12 months. She should have started this thing since 6 months. She should have started it. So you guys, introduce this to your baby, and trust me, your baby would not say no. Your baby might keep a face and all of that, but once you continue introducing it to her or him, they will love it. Truth be told, on this day she wasn't really having it, so she was trying to understand the taste. Should I go for it? Is it nice? Is it cool? Well, I was still trying to play with her, make her laugh so that she focus on it. But trust me, the second time I made this for her, she ate it and cleared her plate. She didn't clear her plate this time around. I told you I was going to show you how she was able to eat her food at the end of the video, and this is it. We really tried, for the first time. She doesn't even take coconut milk, so it's just for the first time. So yeah, she really tried. You guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for staying true. Hit that subscribe button, hit a thumbs up, share this video if you're in the position to share. Until I come your way next time, thank you and bye.